Hello, guys. Good evening, everyone. Hello, Raj, baby girl. Good evening, everyone, guys. So, guys, welcome all. Welcome to 3000 practice problems. So, let me introduce myself. Myself, Praneet Kalyanam. I'm maths educator at Unacademy. I have 10 years experience in teaching IIT-JEE maths. I have worked in Narayana China campus, Hyderabad, and Akash, Bangalore. And I am from IIT Roorkee. So guys, today's topic is indefinite integration. So this is the third session in indefinite integration. We completed 2020-2019 previous year questions, and we'll do some more challenging questions on this chapter indefinite integration. So guys, just let me know, are we live now or not? Are we live now? Can you able to see me? Can you able to hear me? Just confirm once. So guys, we are going to start a new batch for early class 12th students. So if you are about to complete class 11th, you can enroll for this early class 12th batch for JEE Mains and Advanced 2022. This is for JEE 2022 aspirants. And myself and Nitin Sir, Mega Ma'am is taking care of this batch. So you can enroll this batch, guys. It is going to start from 12th March only. Right, next one is, so tomorrow we'll have Unacademy Scholarship Assessment Test, guys. So tomorrow 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. I hope you everyone enroll this for free. So if you haven't enrolled, you can enroll it in your learning app. You can able to enroll it. So this Unacademy Scholarship Assessment Test for 2021, 2022, 2023 aspirants, and depending upon your rank on this assessment test, you will get 100% scholarship, guys. You can get up to 100% scholarship, 25% to 100% scholarship depending upon your rank. Okay, right. And if you want to join Plus platform, you can use this referral code Praneet10. You get instant 10% discount on this referral code. Okay. Hello, Manjunath. How to increase problem solving skills in JEE? Okay. So simple practice, Manjunath. We just need practice. If you practice more, definitely you can improve your performance. We just need to practice more and more number of problems. Right. Chalo guys, let's start with first question. Log x plus 1 minus log x by x into x plus 1. But if you observe, guys, if you observe most of the options, see here, this is the first option, third option, fourth option, most of the option x plus 1 by x term is there. So we need to bring every term in the form of x minus 1 by x plus 1. So for that, what we can do is we'll modify this given equation, guys. Can I write it like log a minus log b? See guys, we have this formula, right? Log a minus log b is equals to log a by b. So by using this formula, can we write log x plus 1 by x as log x plus 1 by x? Can I write it like this? By x into x plus 1 into dx. Okay. Right. Perfect. Now can I take x plus 1 by x as t, guys? Let's take x plus 1 by x as t. Let's see what we get it. If I take x plus 1 as x plus 1 by x plus 1 as a t. If I take x plus 1 by x as a t. If we differentiate it, what we get it, guys? X square, or you can directly do this. You can do it. You can write it as a 1 plus 1 by x, guys, and you can write it as 1 plus 1 by x equals to t. And now let's differentiate it. Minus 1 by x square into dx is equals to dt. Okay. So clearly x plus 1 by x, if I take it as a t, we are not getting anything, guys. If you take x plus 1 by x, we are not getting anything. That means option A, C, D should not be correct. Why? Because if I take x plus 1 by x as t, we are not able to write everything in terms of x, guys. We are not able to write everything in terms of x. Okay, otherwise we'll do one thing. So what I can do is, as we need 1 by x square here, minus 1 by x square should be there. So what we'll do is, we'll multiply and divide with x square. If you multiply and divide with x square, now let's see what we get it. This becomes like minus of integration of log of x plus 1 by x. And the denominator is like when you divide with x. So what do we get it, guys? Am I getting like x plus 1 by x? Yes, that's what we're getting it. And this is minus dx by x square. So now tell me, this whole thing I can able to simplify this. See why? Because this is like a dt. Okay. This is like a t and this is also like t. So if you simplify this, what I get it is like integration of minus of integration of log t by t into dt. So tell me, guys, how can I simplify this? Again, log t differentiation is already here, guys. If I take log t is equals to something like x or something, or y, you can take it. If I take log t as something like y, 1 by t into dt is equals to dy. So this becomes like minus of integration of y into dy. That's what we're getting, guys. So what is integration of this? Minus y square by 2 plus some constant. So but what is y, guys? Y is equals to how much? Log t. So minus log t whole square by 2. So now you can substitute what is the t value, guys. T value, how much we have taken? T is equals to x plus 1 by x. So substitute here. Minus of log of x plus 1 by x whole square by 2. So where we get this answer, guys? Isn't it first option, guys? Isn't it like first option? Is it clear? Perfect. So first option is answer. So most of the options are containing x plus 1 by x. That's why I'm taking x plus 1 by x as t. And then again I took another substitution, log t is equals to y. And then this is what we're getting it. Clear? Right. First option is the answer, guys. Next, second question. Integral x into cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square dx. Here x is positive. So we can take any substitution, guys. Something like x equals to tan theta or something. Okay. So let's take x equals to tan theta. If I take x equals to tan theta. See why? Because 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, we have a formula, guys. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta only. Okay, like that also you can simplify. You can simplify it like that also. If you simplify it like this, if you know this formula, then directly you get the answer, guys. If you can know this formula, 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equals to cos 2 theta. So in place of this, I can substitute cos 2 theta. So cos get cancelled, and we are directly getting integration of x into 2 theta. But what is theta, guys? Theta is equals to tan inverse x, right? Theta is equals to tan inverse x. So we can write it as 2 times x into theta. Theta is like tan inverse x into dx. So how can we simplify this, guys? Can I apply some integration by parts? By taking x equals to first function and x equals to, say, tan inverse x differentiation is easy and x integration is easy. So whichever function is easy to differentiate, we take it as first function. Whichever function is easy to integrate, we can take second function. Otherwise, you can follow the ILATE rule also. ILATE is what, guys? Inverse, logarithmic, arithmetic, trigonometric, and exponential. Whichever is comes first, we'll take it as U. So in ILATE, first function itself is inverse function, inverse trigonometric function. So that's why I took tan inverse x as U. And what is integration by parts? So we can apply integration by parts, guys. So I'll tell you how to apply integration by parts. Let's say if you want to calculate integral uv is equals to u into integration of v minus integration of u dash into integration of v. This is a formula, guys. By using this integration by parts, we can able to get the answer easily. Let's apply this here. 2 times. So tell me, first function into integration of second function, that is x square by 2 minus integration of first function differentiation. First function differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square into integration of second function is x square by 2 dx. So we need to calculate this. Okay. See, Manjunath, when you are revising it, what you can do is you try to complete 2021, 2020, 2019, each and every previous year question. Every previous year question you complete it first. Still, if you have time, what you can do is you can revise the basic concepts. Just revise the basic concepts, whatever theory part we have, you just revise those. Still, if you have time, you can try NTA mock test, guys. You can download NTA Abhyas app and you can try NTA Abhyas mock test questions. Okay. Right. So now you can simplify this, guys. If you can simplify this, what we get it is, this is like x, see 2 get cancelled and we get x square into tan inverse x, we get it. Minus integration of this we need to calculate. See, even here also this 2 also get cancelled. But see this x square, can I write it like 1 plus x square minus 1? Can I write it like this? So in that case it is like 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So now you can able to simplify this. So tell me, guys, what do we get it here? It is like x square into tan inverse x minus x minus of minus plus tan inverse x. That's what we're getting it. Still we can simplify this, guys. We can write it like minus x plus x tan inverse x. If I take common, 1 plus x square into tan inverse x. That's what I'm getting it. Let's see where I get this. 1 plus x square into tan inverse x minus x. So isn't it fourth option, guys? Isn't it fourth option? Correct, right? Yes. So fourth option is the answer, guys. Any doubts in this? Okay, perfect. Chalo, let's do the next question. Sin power 4x by cos power 8x dx. So guys, if you observe each and every option containing tan x, Madan, every option is containing tan x. That means what? We need to take tan x equals to t, guys. So to convert tan x equals to t, if I want to take tan x equals to t, I need to convert everything in terms of tan, guys. So sin power 4x by cos power 8x. Can I write it like sin power 4x by cos power 4x into 1 by cos power 4x? Can I write it like this? So now can I write it like sin power 4x by cos power 4x is like tan power 4x into 1 by cos power 4x is like secant power 4x dx. But see, if I want to take tan x equals to t, if I take tan x equals to t, its a differentiation is a secant square x dx is equals to dt. So here we need secant square x, but actually secant power 4x is it. So what I can do is, I can write it as a tan power 4x into 1 secant square x, I can write it as 1 plus tan square x, and the remaining secant square x, I can write it as a dt. So now tell me, guys, this whole thing becomes a dt. So now this becomes like integration of t power 4 into 1 plus t square into dt. So now tell me guys, integration of t power 4 is t power 5 by 5 and t power 4 into t square, which is t power 6. Integration of t power 6 is t power 7 by 7 plus some constant. Now in place of t, you can substitute a tan. If you substitute tan here, tan power 5x by 5 plus tan power 7x by 7 plus some constant c. So where we get this? Isn't it second option, guys? Yes, Abhishek, you're right. Perfect. Second option is correct answer. Guys, understood now? Any doubts in this? Easy question. Right, next question. See, this type of questions are very, very important, guys. M is a natural number, then the value of integral. So guys, here if you observe, x power 3m is there everywhere. See here, x power 3m, x power 3m. But here only x power 2m is there. So to convert it into x power 3m, what we can do is we can multiply with x, guys. If you multiply and divide with x, let's see what we get it. X power 3m plus x power 2m plus x power m by x, okay, into. So when you multiply with x, if it goes inside this to the power of 1 by m, so this will become like x power m. So this will become 2 into x power 2m plus m. That is x power 3m plus 3 into x power 2m plus 6 into x power m whole power 1 by m into dx. Now let's see, guys. Now this I can modify it as x power 3m by x is x power 3m minus 1 plus x power 2m minus 1 plus x power m minus 1, okay, into this remaining part is same, 2 into x power 3m plus 3 into x power 2m plus 6 into x power m whole power 1 by m into dx. Now can I take any substitution here? Can I able to take any substitution, guys? Question not visible. Okay, 1 second, guys. 1 second. Let me rewrite this question here. Here I rewrite, right? Okay, let me rewrite here. So the given question is x power 3m plus x power 2m plus x power m into 2 into x power 2m plus 3x power m plus 6 whole power 1 by m into dx is equals to how much? That's what he's asking. Guys, clear now? Abhishek, now it is visible. I just wrote the question again, guys. I just wrote the question again. Now tell me, guys, can I able to write it like this? I just multiplied and divided with x. Now can I take a substitution something like 2x power 3m, 2 into x power 3m plus 3 into x power 2m plus 6 into x power m is equals to t. Can I take it like this? If I take it like this, what I get it is, differentiate it, guys. If you differentiate it, 6m into x power 3m minus 1 plus 6, you won't get m, right? M you get it, right? M you get it. Next 6m into x power 2m minus 1 plus 6m into x power m minus 1 into dx is equals to dt. So here 6m is not there, guys. What I can do is I can multiply and divide with 6m, guys. I can multiply and divide with 6m. If I do this, what I get it is this whole thing becomes a dt and this whole thing becomes t. So now what I get it is integration of this whole thing becomes integration of 1 by 6m into t power 1 by m into dt. So tell me, guys, what is the integration of this? 1 by 6m into So it is like t power 1 by m plus 1 by 1 by m plus 1. So now let's simplify this. If you simplify this, m get cancelled. So we get 6 times 1 plus m, correct now, into t power 1 by m plus 1. 1 by m plus 1. That's what we get it. Now you can replace the t value, guys. If you replace t value, where we get this, guys? Isn't it first option, guys? If you replace t with the 2x power 2 into x power 3m, 3 into x power 2m, 6 into x power m, if you substitute all this, first option is going to be the answer, right? Yes, exactly. First option is the answer. Right, next question, guys. Sin power 8x minus cos power 8x. We'll simplify this, guys. Let's simplify this. See, sin power 8x minus cos power 8x. Can I write it like sin power 4x minus cos power 4x into sin power 4x plus cos power 4x? Can I write it like this? And again, can I write it like sin square x minus cos square x into sin square x plus cos square x into sin power 4x plus cos power 4x? Can I write it like this? But see, this part is anyway 1, right? Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So now tell me, guys, the remaining part we can write it here. So this is like, see, this is minus cos 2x. So this I can write it as minus cos 2x into sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. So this is a numerator. So now let's simplify the denominator. Denominator, can I write this one as 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x? In place of 1, can I write it like sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2 sin square x cos square x? Guys, isn't it look like a plus b whole square minus 2ab? So isn't it look like sin power 4x plus cos power 4x? Now substitute these two values in the given integral, guys. In the given integral, if you substitute this numerator and denominator, numerator is like minus cos 2x into sin power 4x plus cos power 4x into dx. And the denominator also we simplified it, which is sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. Now tell me, guys, can we simplify these two? Can we cancel these two? And integration of minus cos 2x into dx. So tell me, guys, what is the integration of this? Is it minus sin 2x by 2 plus some constant? So where we get this? Isn't it second option, guys? Yes, Abhishek, correct. Second option is correct, guys. Next question. So guys, for this type of question, whenever fractions are there, fractional powers are there. So here x power 1 by 2 is there, here x power 1 by 3 is there. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. So can I take x equals to t power 6? Can I take this substitution? Same, guys, I just taken in the options everywhere you can see q. 6th root of x, 6th root of x. I just took 6th root of x equals to t, guys. That's it. That's what I took it. So now let's differentiate this. If you differentiate this, dx is equals to 6 into t power 5 into dt. Okay, and these values you substitute here. If you substitute these values here, let's see what I get it. I'm getting like integration of dx. Dx just now we calculated 6 into t power 5 dt by root x. So square root of x is how much, guys? X is t power 6 plus cube root of t power 6. So now this I can simplify it as 6 t power 5 dt by Square root of t power 6 is t cube, guys, and cube root of t power 6 is t square. So still we can simplify this. I can write it as t square we can common. So 6t cube by t plus 1. It is improper fraction, guys. What is improper fraction? If a numerator degree is greater than or equals to denominator degree, then we call it as improper fraction. So for this improper fraction, how can we simplify it as proper fraction is? So he is asking 20a plus b plus c plus d is how much? That's what he is asking. Okay. Exactly. We should divide it, Abhishek. Correct. We should divide it, guys. If I divide it, what I get it is t cube. If I divide with the t plus 1, so what I get it is here t square and t cube plus t square. Subtract minus t square and here minus t. So there is a minus t square minus t. When you subtract it, we get t. And now plus 1. So if you multiply with plus 1, t plus 1. So remainder is minus 1, guys. So I can write this whole thing as 6 times t cube by t minus t plus 1. I can write it as t cube by t plus 1. I can write it as t square minus t plus 1 plus minus 1 by 1 plus t plus 1 or whatever dt. So I can write it this way. So from this, if I can simplify this, integration of t square is t cube by 3 minus 6 times t square by 2 plus 6t minus 6 log t plus 1. So still we can simplify this. If I simplify this, what I get it, guys? Again, you can replace t with 6th root of x. If you replace t with 6th root of x, this is like t into root x minus 3 into t square is what, guys? T square is like a cube root of x plus 6 into t is what, guys? T is like 6th root of x plus or minus, guys? Minus, right? Minus 6 times log of 6th root of x plus 1. So from this, if you compare with this, I can able to calculate ABC values, guys. What are the ABC values? Tell me. So I'm getting like A is equals to 2, B is equals to minus 3, and C is equals to 6, and D is equals to how much, guys? D is equals to minus 6. You need to substitute all these values here. If you substitute 20A is 40 minus 3 plus 6 minus 6. So total how much we getting it? Am I getting 37? So that's it. 37 is the answer, guys. Clear now? Any doubts in this question? How we calculated this? Okay, good. Next question. Integration of root tan x plus root cot x. Guys, if you observe, all the options are in the form of sin x and cos x. So we need to convert this in terms of sin x and cos x. So for that, what I can do is root tan x, I can write it as root sin x by root cos x, and root cot x, I can write it as root cos x by root sin x. If I do this, what I get it, guys? Let's do this. I is equals to integration of root sin x by root cos x plus root cos x by square root of sin x into dx. Now you can take LCM and simplify this, guys. Let's take LCM. If I take LCM, like see, numerator is like sin x plus cos x only, guys. And the denominator is like square root of sin x cos x. This I can write it as sin 2x by 2. Can I write it like this? Correct. So now what can I do it is, can I take sin x minus cos x as a t? Why sin x minus cos x as t is sin x minus cos x. See here, sin x minus cos x differentiation. Suppose if I take t is equals to sin x minus cos x. dt becomes cos x plus sin x, I get it. That is already there in the numerator, guys. That is already there in the numerator. So this whole thing becomes dt. Okay. But now what we can do is we need to convert sine 2x in terms of t, guys. So for that what we can do is we can square it on both sides. If I square it, t square is equals to sin x minus cos x whole square, that is a sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x, which is sin 2x. So from this, can I write sin 2x as 1 minus t square? Why? Because sin square x plus cos square x is 1 only, guys. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1 only. So I can say that this whole thing is 1. So I can say that 1 minus t square. So now if you substitute this value here, this becomes like integration of dt by square root of, in place of sin 2x, 1 minus t square by 2. So if I bring this by 2 outside, it will become root 2, guys. Root 2 into integration of dt by square root of 1 minus t square. So now tell me, this is going to be sin inverse t only. Now integration of this is sin inverse t only. But what is t, guys? T is sin x minus cos x. T is sin x minus cos x, correct now? So I can say that this is equals to root 2 into sin inverse of t. T value is sin x minus cos x. So but where we get this option, guys? In which option we are getting this term? Third option, right? Guys, isn't it third option? Yes, correct. Correct, Aman, Abhishek, you are right. Third option is the answer. Clear, right? Okay, perfect. Next question. The graph of antiderivative of f of x. Antiderivative means integration only. Can you able to see this, guys? Let me write this here. So here what he is asking is then the value of f of 2 minus f of 0, guys, is how much? Hello, Abhinav. Okay, right. So now, 1 second, something is missing here. The graph of antiderivative passes through 0 to 3, then the value of g of 2 minus f of 0. Actually, it is g of 2 he is asking. But what is g of x? G of x he didn't mention only. So something, there is a mistake in this question, guys. Let's leave this question. Okay, that's what he is saying. He is saying g of x is the graph of antiderivative of f of x. Okay, so what he is saying is the graph g of x. Here g of x should be there. The graph g of x of antiderivative of f of x equals to this passes through 0, 3. Okay, right. Now we'll calculate what is g of x, guys. So g of x is antiderivative of this. So clearly we can say that g of x equals to integration of f of x dx, that is integration of x into e power x by 2 dx. So now how can we solve it? One method is integration by parts. Let's take this function as u and let's take this function as v, and if you apply integration by parts, first function into integration of x by 2, integration of x by 2 is x by 2 by 1 by 2 minus integration of first function differentiation into integration of second function. Integration of second function already we calculated, guys. Now if you simplify this, 2x into e power x by 2 minus, how much we get guys? 2 times integration of x by 2 is x by 2 by 1 by 2. That means total we're getting 2x into e power x by 2 minus 4 into e power x by 2 plus some constant c. But he is saying it is passes through 0 comma 3 guys. If you substitute 0 comma 3 here, if you substitute x0 and f g of 0 is equals to 3, if I substitute, so tell me guys, what do we get it? 3 is equals to 0 minus 4 plus c. So from this c is equals to 7 guys. C value I calculated. Once I get C value, I can able to get G of X value. What is the G of X guys? G of X is equals to 2 times X into e power X by 2 minus 4 into e power X by 2 plus 7. So now what he is asking, Z of 2 he is asking. What is Z of 2 guys? If I substitute Z of 2, 4 into E minus 4 into E plus 7. So 4E cancel and this is 7 guys. So this part is 7 and f of 0 is anyway 0. So 7 minus 0 is 7. So the answer should be 7. Clear? G of 2 minus f of 0 is 7. Okay. Next question. Then the value of A. So here this part is like, then the value of A is how much? Integration of 5 tan x by tan x minus 2. So clearly we can see here answer is in sin x and cos x. So one method is to convert everything in terms of sin x and cos x and get the answer. Whatever substitution you want to take, you can take it. Okay. That is one method. Otherwise, you can differentiate it, guys. You can differentiate both left hand side and right hand side and you can compare it. If you differentiate it, let's see what I get it. If I differentiate both left hand side and right hand side, differentiation and integration get cancelled and we get 5 tan x by tan x minus 2 is equals to 1 plus a into log of sin x minus 2 cos x is 1 by sin x minus 2 cos x into sin x minus 2 cos x differentiation is like cos x plus 2 sin x. Okay, so now we need to simplify this guys. What you can do is left hand side also you can convert it in terms of sin and cos. If you can convert it in terms of sin and cos, multiply both left numerator and denominator with cos x. So this is what we're getting guys. 5 by 5 sin x by sin x minus 2 cos x. This is what we're getting it left hand side. But if you observe guys, denominators are same. So can we cancel the denominator after taking LCM? Okay, so we'll do one thing otherwise. We'll take LCM and then simplify and then cancel this. So let me do it this way. I can take LCM here and I can able to write it like this. Sin x minus 2 cos x. So now tell me guys, can we able to cancel both the denominators? Now compare it, compare power of quotient of sin x, you compare it guys. If you compare quotient of sin x on both left hand side and right hand side, 1 plus 2a. So from this what is a guys? Can I say that a is equals to 2? If I take a is equals to 2, even cos x and cos x also get cancelled. Yes, a is equals to 2. That's what he is asking here. So option B is correct. A is equals to how much? A is equals to 2. Okay. Right, perfect. Next question. f of x is given 9x by 25 plus c. If the curve y is equals to f inverse x passes through 1 by 4 comma minus 5 by 4, and g of x is the antiderivative of f inverse x such that g of 0 is equals to f of 2, then the value of step of g of 1 is how much? Okay, so guys, this curve is passes through 1 by 4. One second guys, let me change the settings so that you can able to see the question. Can you able to see the question now? Can you able to see the question now? Abhishek, can you able to see the question now? Okay, yeah, this looks better. So guys, tell me now. So can I say that this particular point is satisfying this curve? That means minus 5 by 4 is equals to f inverse of 1 by 4. So from this, can I say that if b is equals to f inverse a, so obviously a is equals to f of b only, right? So from this, can I say that f of minus 5 by 4 is equals to 1 by 4? So f of x, we know it guys. What is f of minus 5 by 4? 9 by 25 times minus 5 by 4 plus c is equals to 1 by 4. So from this, I can able to calculate the c value guys. Let's find out c value here. So 25, 5 get cancelled 5 times. Now multiply with 20 guys. Throughout the equation, if you multiply with the 20c is equals to 5. So from this 20c is equals to 4 or 14 guys, 14. So from this c is equals to 7 by 10. Is it correct? C value we calculated as 7 by 10. Right, so f of x I just calculated f of x guys. F of x I am getting like 9x by 25 plus 7 by 10. But from this, can I calculate f inverse x guys? F inverse x is simple. You just need to replace f of x with y, and 9x by 25 plus 7 by 10. So from this, can I calculate x in terms of y? Can I calculate x? 9x by 25 is equals to y minus 7 by 10, and cross multiply and calculate x in terms of y guys. If I calculate x in terms of y, 25 by 9 into y minus 7 by 10. Now from this, can I say that f inverse of x equals to 25 by 9 into x minus 7 by 10. Okay, f inverse x also we calculated. But what is g of x guys? G of x is antiderivative of f inverse x, correct now? So what he's saying is g of x is equals to antiderivative, that means integration of f inverse x. F inverse x already we calculated. What is it guys? F inverse x is 25 by 9 into x minus 7 by 10. So let's calculate integration of this. If I calculate integration of this, what I get it is z of x is equals to 25 by 9. Okay, let's write here. Z of x is equals to 25 by 9 into integration of x is x square by 2, and 7 by 10 integration is 7 by 10 x plus some constant k. You can take plus some constant k. But he gave the initial condition guys. G of 0 is 5 by 2. So g of 0 5 by 2 means k is 5 by 2, right? So from this, we can say that k is equals to 5 by 2. Let's take k is equals to 5 by 2. If I take k is equals to 5 by 2, I can able to calculate z of x. Finally, I am able to calculate z of x as 25 by 9 into x square by 2 minus 7 by 10 into x plus 5 by 2. But from this, can I calculate z of 1, guys? Let's calculate z of 1. From this, I can able to calculate z of 1. So z of 1 is going to be 25 by 9 into 1 by 2 minus 7 by 10, guys. That is 5 by 10 minus 7 by 10 minus 2 by 10. That is minus 1 by 5 plus 5 by 2. Let's simplify this part. 5 get cancelled. Minus 5 by 9 plus 5 by 2. So you can take LCM as 18 minus 10 plus 45 minus 35. So tell me, guys, what is the approximate value of this? Minus 1.9 or something. So what is the greatest integer function of minus 1.9, guys? Minus 1.9 greatest integer function. Isn't it minus 2? So the answer should be minus 2, guys. But we are not getting answer minus 2, we are getting plus 2. So that means somewhere we did wrong. So where we did wrong? Somewhere I did wrong, guys. Let's see where I did wrong. Oh, here it is not minus 5, guys. It is plus 5. Okay, right. Plus 1.9. So greatest integer function of plus 1.9 is 1. But still it is not correct. Somewhere calculation part I did mistake. Okay, 1 second. Let me check it where I did mistake. Minus 5 by 9. $35 by 18 correct only, no? 35 by 18 is something like 1.9 or something only, less than 2 only, no? 35 by 18. But let's see how much he is getting. He is getting like something around 95 by 36. So we did somewhere mistake. We got this correct. 25 by 9 into x square by 2 correct. Next minus 5x by 4. No, this is wrong. So somewhere we did wrong here. Somewhere we done wrong, guys. So but you understood the procedure, right? Everyone understood the procedure. Somewhere in the method is correct only. Somewhere we have done wrong. Let's see where I have done wrong. I think this C value is wrong, guys. Here only I did wrong something. Minus 5 by 4, 1 by 4. F of minus 5 by 4 is 1 by 4. F of minus 5 by 4, 1 by 4. When we multiply with 20, correct only. 7 by 10, everything correct only. Correct only, guys. Somewhere we are getting wrong. He got C1 is 9 by 20, guys. Okay, let's leave it. Maybe there is a mistake here. Let's leave this question and let's do this question, guys. So we'll do one thing. So you can see here everywhere x minus 1 by x plus 1 is there. So I will take x minus 1 by x plus 1 as t, guys. If I take x minus 1 by x plus 1 as t, let's see what I get it. If I take t is equals to x minus 1 by x plus 1, I think we should take reverse order, I think. Okay, let's do it, guys. If you differentiate it, Here x plus 1 whole square we are getting is, but actually here x square minus 1 is there. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll take log x minus 1 by x plus 1 as t, guys. That's better. Okay. Instead of doing all this, better what we can do is we'll take t is equals to log x minus 1 by x plus 1. But actually this I can edit as log x minus 1 minus log of x plus 1. Can I write it like this? Now tell me guys, what is dt? dt is like 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1. So if I take LCM, am I getting like x minus 1 into x plus 1 is x square minus 1, and here x plus 1 minus of x minus 1, am I getting like 2 by x square minus 1 into dx. So here suppose if 2 is there here, then this whole part becomes a dt only, guys. Okay. So finally what I am getting is this part becomes a t. This part becomes t. So finally I am getting like 1 by 2 times t into dt. So tell me guys, what is it? Isn't it t square by 4 plus some constant c? So now substitute t value, that is a log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square by 4 plus c. Correct, Abhishek, you're right. So where we are getting this, guys? Third option, right? Yes, third option is the answer. Right, next question. So here what we can do is we can bring x power n outside. If I can bring x power n outside, this highest degree term, if I can bring it outside, what can I write it is x power n plus 1 we get it here, and here I get 1 plus 1 by x power n, I get it, into numerator we get dx. Now if I can take substitution something like, if I take this one as a t, that is a t is equals to 1 plus 1 by x power n. If I take it, its a differentiation is going to be dt, and this is minus n by x power n plus 1 into dx. So but see here guys, suppose here minus n is there, suppose minus n is there, then this whole thing we call it as a dt only. Correct? Okay, so now tell me guys, what do we get it? See, finally we are getting in this form, minus 1 by n into dt by t. What is it guys? Isn't it log t? Minus 1 by n into log t plus c. So what is it guys? Minus 1 by n into log t. T is how much guys? 1 plus 1 by x power n plus some constant c. Still we can simplify this. Minus 1 by n into log of x power n plus 1 by x power n. So if I remove this minus, I can able to write it as 1 by n into log of reciprocal of x power n plus 1 by x power n, which is x power n by x power n plus 1. That's what we're getting it. So where we get this? Isn't it first option guys? Isn't it first option? Yeah, first option is the answer, correct. Next question guys. See, already answer he has given. So we just need to find the k value. So can we differentiate it on both sides and get the answer easily guys? Can I do that? Instead of doing the original method, can I differentiate the options? Can I differentiate both left hand side and right hand side? If I get this, let's see what I get it. Left hand side integration and differentiation will get cancelled, and we get it like this. Sine 101x into sine 99x is equals to, and here we need to use UV rule, guys. If I use UV rule, first function differentiation, correct, into second function plus second function differentiation, guys. First function into second function differentiation. Second function differentiation is 100 into sine power 99x into cos x into sine of 100x by denominator is like k plus 5. So now tell me, guys, see, sine power 99x get cancelled, guys. How many times? Sine x times. How many times? One time. So now tell me, guys, 100 you can take common. 100 by k plus 5. Left hand side we get 101x. And here what we get it is cos 100x into sine x plus cos x into sine 100x. Guys, isn't it like sine a plus b formula? Isn't it like sine a plus b formula? This whole thing is sine a plus b formula. So there is sine 100x plus x, sine 101x only. So can I cancel these two? So finally, can I write k plus 5 is equals to 100? Can I write k is equals to 95? In that case, k by 19 is how much, guys? 95 by 19, is it 5? So 5 is the answer. Correct? Any doubts in this? Okay, good. Next question. Next question also same, guys. See, if we give the expression, everything if we give, and only he is asking constant value, that means we just need to differentiate it. Let's differentiate it throughout the equation. Let's differentiate it and get the answer easily. If you differentiate this, 1 by x minus 1 whole power 3 by 4 into x plus 2 whole power 5 by 4, right hand side, k into differentiation of this, 1 by 4 into x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole power 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 3 by 4 into differentiation of this part. U by v rule we should use it. If I use u by v rule, what I get it, guys? X plus 2 into numerator differentiation 1, and same thing, u by v rule, if you use it, this is what we get. Right, now let's simplify this. Right hand side I can write it as k by 4. See, here this part is going to be 3, guys. So you can bring that 3 also outside. So what I get it is like x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4 by x minus 1 whole power 3 by 4, and in denominator like x plus 2 whole square. And left hand side it is same. So now tell me, guys, is anything cancelled? X minus 3 by 4, x minus 3 by 4 cancelled. And x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4, x plus 2 whole square, and x plus 2 whole power 5 by 4 cancelled. Finally, this is what we're getting it. 1 is equals to 3k by 4. So from this, k is equals to 4 by 3. What is 30k? 30k is what, guys? Isn't it 40? So 40 should be the answer. Clear, right? So, okay, he's asking total number of divisors of 30k, guys. So, what is, how many divisors of 40? 40, how many divisors are there, guys? 1 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 8 is there, 10 is there. 16 is there. No, right? 20 is there, 40 is there. How many are there, guys? 10 divisors should be there, right? 1, 2, 4, 5, even 8 is there, correct. And correct only, na? 8 divisors only. Otherwise, we can use the formula. 40 we can able to express it as 2 cube into 5 power 1. So total number of divisors are 3 plus 1 into 5, 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, which is equals to 8. So total 8 divisors are there, guys. That's what he's saying. Total 8 divisors are there. So guys, is it clear? Any doubts in that? Okay. Right. So guys, that's it for this class. In the next class, that is in the next week. So Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, we are going to discuss definite integration, guys. We'll do problems on definite integrations. So first we'll do the problems on previous year questions. We'll do it first. So previous year questions 2021, 2020, 2019 will complete. And then we'll do some more questions other than previous year questions also. Okay. So guys, that's it for today, and see you in the next class. That is on Tuesday. Same way. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, night 9:30 p.m. We'll have a YouTube session. Right. See you on the next class, guys. Everyone, good night, guys. Yeah, definitely we'll discuss Abhishek. Some as a series also we'll discuss. Okay.